interesting big sound all coming from the Montage, and you have total control over those sounds. Okay, that's the piano. We also have fantastic electric pianos. This is a Rhodes. We've sampled brand new Mark I Rhodes. We've put it in the gallery. Gallery is something that you will see on Montage because we have what we call scenes. So rather than having 8 or 10 different Rhodes patches, we still have several, but you choose Rhodes Gallery, then you can use the scenes to get your different Rhodes. So everything from a sort of medium to more harder to a softer. So it's all there on scenes. You can add chorus. We can also put a proximity effect on it, which means that you can add the noise. So we've even the mechanical noise. And with the super knob, you decide the mix. So if you don't want any noise or very little, you can move it away and you get a really sort of nice ballad sound. But then we can move the super knob and get the dose. So you're right up close to it. And the same with the Wurlitzer. The Whirly, so again we have the noise. Or, you know, and it's a great 60s sound, eh? Through to the more iconic sounds like the FM E-pianos of the 1980s, which of course was made famous by Yamaha. Sure. But what we can do is we can add FM and AW together, AW being the sampling, FM being the synthesis, and you can create some great things. For example, with the super knob now, we can just add the pitch element, or change the pitch element of the E-piano. And really from something very ultra realistic to something more crazy, it is a synthesizer. We can take a Rhodes, so you can take a Rhodes and completely synthesize it into something different. Okay, what else is important from a player? Great pianos, great E-pianos, but also really, really good organs. Organs are very, very important, and here we have a B3, and you can actually add a little bit of extra reverb very easily with it. So we have the full drawbar control, 9 drawbars, but we also have iconic presets. But I want a band. You would play this in a band, but I haven't got a band today. So Montage today is my band. So I've hooked this up to a DAW, recorded the drums, the bass, the guitar, the Rhodes, and I'm going to play the Hammond organ. sound all coming from this instrument. Okay, whether it's a jazz organ or a 1960s sort of